Which situation can be represented by y equals 12x minus 4? Choice A, the number of eggs, y, in x dozen eggs, for sale after 4 dozen eggs are sold. Okay, let's take a look at that. We have y equals 12x minus 4. And this is saying that y is the number of eggs. Okay, so let's say number of eggs in x dozen eggs. So the number of eggs equals 12, and this would be the number of dozens of eggs. Okay, so let's just put a random number in there and see if the math works out. Let's say I have 3 dozen eggs. So I'm going to put 3 here. 12 times 3, that would give me 3 dozen eggs. So that makes sense. But here it says the number of eggs, y, in x dozen eggs. Here's 12 times 3, that's 3 dozen. Okay, 36 eggs. For sale after 4 dozen eggs are sold. But here when I have the minus 4, it's not giving me minus 4 dozen eggs. It's just giving me minus 4 eggs. Okay, this 4 dozen eggs does not line up with this minus 4. So choice A doesn't make sense. Okay, let's look at choice B. The cost y of buying X movie tickets that sell for $8 each. Okay, let's try again. We have y equals 12x minus 4. And they're saying here that the cost is the y. So we're saying cost equals, and then they're saying x is the movie tickets. So 12 times a certain amount of movie tickets. Okay? But here's the thing, they have a 12 minus 4. They say that that's giving us 8, but it's really 12 times the number of movie tickets. If we had like 3 movie tickets, that would be like 36 minus 4. So this 12 minus 4 is not giving us 8 because you're multiplying the 12 by the number of movie tickets. So basically that would be like paying $12 per movie ticket and then getting a one-time $4 off your total. Okay, it's not the same as taking $4 off of every $12 movie ticket. It doesn't work that way. Okay, so that one's not working out for us. Let's look at choice C. The cost y after a $4 discount of buying X t-shirts that sell for $12 each. Okay, so we have a $4 discount, and that's happening here. And we're buying X t-shirts. So this would be $12 each. And each is a word for slope. The words for slope are per, each, or every. Okay. So this is in the right spot. This is in my slope spot. $12 each, and this is X t-shirts. Number of t-shirts. And then there's a $4 discount applied at the end. So this one actually works out fine. This one makes sense. You're buying the shirts for $12 each, 12 times your number of t-shirts, but then there's a $4 discount applied to your total cost. So that one makes sense. Let's look at choice D. The number of inches y in an X foot tall tree after cutting off 4 feet. Okay, so number of inches, they're saying this is the number of inches in an X foot tall tree. Okay, that's where they're getting the 12, because evidently it's 12 inches. Like this is the number of inches times 12. But see, the problem there, this 12 would be converting the inches, the feet. If it's an X foot tall tree, let's say it's a 3 foot tall tree, which actually, let's say it's a 10 foot tall tree. If I have this 10 here, I'm multiplying it by 12, it's going to turn it into inches because there's 12 inches in every foot, and that has nothing to do with cutting off 4 feet. You would have to change this into inches as well. Okay, so if you had maybe 12 times 4 over here, that might work, but the way it is, it's the feet and the inches are not meshing together. So the one that completely makes sense is choice C.